Let's make some toilet paper tube flower garlands. This is a super easy craft and it's super cheap because you have probably everything at home already. When you're finished with a roll of toilet paper, save those tubes, don't throw them away. We're going to paint them on the inside and the outside. I like using different colors so that the contrast is better on the garland and for the flowers. Paint enough tubes for the number of flowers you'd like on your garland and allow them to dry overnight. Now we will begin cutting into our flower. You're going to want to cut not all the way to the center of the tube. You want to leave about an inch in the center that is uncut. Now cut 4 slits into the tube that are 90 degrees apart. Once you have those 4, you're now going to cut again in between each of those cuts. So you'll end up with 8 cuts total. Now flip your tube over and you're going to make 8 more cuts, but these you're going to want to place in between the other cuts from the other side so that they're staggered slightly and not lining up exactly with your previous cuts. These don't need to be perfect, they just need to be roughly the same size. Now fold down all of those little tabs that you've made from those cuts. It'll start to look like a flower now. Do it on both sides of the tube. To make this look more like a flower, we're going to trim a little bit off of each petal, making it look more like a point than just a rectangle. Do this on both sides with both sets of petals. Continue this same process with all of your other toilet paper tube flowers. To turn this into a garland, we're going to use a yarn needle that is strung with yarn and poke it directly into the toilet paper tube. Now be careful because it is a little tricky to get it through. You could also just tie a string through the center if you want to avoid using a needle. You can customize your colors for the different holidays and enjoy the fact that you made this garland for practically free.